Hello friends, today we are learning about paraffin wax bath. It is superficial heating modality. Paraffin wax is an application of molten wax over body parts. It is a therapeutic and soothing method to use to alleviate pain and improve body condition to other body parts, is like feet, hands. Paraffin wax maintained at 41 to 45 degrees Celsius to its melting temperature is 51 to 55 degrees Celsius.
Now the composition of paraffin wax is 7:3:1. 7 is for solid wax, 3 is for liquid paraffin and 1 is for petroleum jelly. Now the another composition is 7:1. 7 is for solid wax and 1 is for liquid paraffin. Paraffin wax bath therapy provides 6 times the amount of heat available in water because it contains mineral oil in paraffin which lowers its melting point. Paraffin wax baths are available in a many variation of size and shape. This method of heating the tissue has the advantage that it is the most convenient way of applying the conducted heat in the extremities. As the wax solidifies from its molten state, it releases energy of latent heat and the heat energy is conducted in the tissue. It melted in stainless steel or enameled bath which are electrically heated. The wax is self-insulated. The first layer creates a thin layer of air next to the skin which acts as an insulator. Sweat does not evaporate and it also insulates after the removal of the wax. The part cools quickly.
Parts of typical paraffin wax bath unit. First, container. Second, mains. Third, thermostat. Fourth, thermostat pilot lamp. Fifth, power pilot lamp. Sixth, lid. So let's see first container. It is made up of enameled baths on stainless steel bowl and outer fiberglass shell. Initially heating is quicker with this type because there is no water jacket to be heated. Container contains wax and paraffin oil. Then mains. Mains function is to switch on or off the heating. Then thermostat. It keeps temperature fixed or static in the range which is adjusted by knob. Then thermostat pilot's lamp. Thermostat pilot's lamp indicate whether thermostat on or off. Then power pilot lamp. Power pilot lamp function is to show whether power is on or off. Then last, lid covers the container and caster. Allow the paraffin wax bath container to be moved from one place to another.